Hi, and welcome back to Fresh BCSC Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert videos into Google Slides presentations. And videos are a great way to give your students another option for representation, so an alternative or something in addition to written text, visual information, or even audio information. Videos have been shown to be Generation Z's favorite tool to learn from. And there's a reason why YouTube has grown in popularity and why so many of us go to YouTube when we want to learn how to do something, because it's quick and it's simple and it's engaging. So to add videos directly into your Google Slides presentation, you'll open up Google Slides and you'll click Insert. And video is one of the options. You have even more options when this menu pops up. You can search for a YouTube video. You can search by URL, which also goes through YouTube. Or if you have videos in your Google Drive, you can add them from there. When the option comes up, you can click video and select it, and it inserts it. And then from there, you can resize it. There's new settings now within Google Slides that allow you to determine when the video starts playing. You get a little preview it over here, and you can decide where the video starts at one point in the video, and if it starts automatically when you're presenting, or if you have to click to get the video to start. But that is how you can add videos into a Google Slides presentation to make more accessible learning content.